Every transformation begins with a vision. A vision to improve the way we work, empower our people, and create a meaningful impact beyond business. At NTF Group, that vision became Mission Parivartan. Across our plants, processes, technology, and communities, this journey has brought together innovation, responsibility, and the collective strength of our people.
So Parivartan is not a slogan, it's a decision of us to transform how we think.
Transformation is not defined only by what changes. It is also defined by the values, purpose, and legacy that continue.
First of all, I want to thank the man who started NTF 42 years before. He had a vision, and that is why we are here today.
Today marks an important milestone in the journey of NTF Group.
For me, this is a surprise message for everyone, but I would like to pass on the baton to Naman. For emotional, but for 40 years, this company has been my life. It still will be. My father built it, I carried it. Tonight, I pass on this baton. I step away as a managing director, but I'll be here around, still doing the mysterious things. I'll be here as a mentor, strategy, new projects, whatever I'm doing, I continue, but he will be the main. So, Naman, the battle is yours. Take charge as MD. Run your lab faster than I did.
A new responsibility, a new chapter, and a renewed commitment to the values and vision that have shaped NTF Group. This leadership transition carries forward a legacy of trust, integrity, and people-first growth.
Today we are here for our change, for us to change and not for someone else to change. And change is something we've been doing forever. If we don't change, the person or the organization who makes these changes as per the customer demand or as per the market demands will for sure take our jobs. And this means even for NTF as a group, आज हमारे लिए ये change mandatory है.
I'm really pleased to be a part of Mission Parivartan here with all you. It's truly an honor to see how NTF grows over the years. To see that, seeing the NTF expansion with so many units is really a great moment for all of us. I sincerely wish that NTF continues to grow stronger, achieves the great heights, and find all the goals, whatever we are looking for. My best wishes to the entire NTF family.
The journey ahead opens new possibilities for innovation, digital transformation, and responsible progress.
Big congratulations to our new MD. And this also means that MD sir is now chairman sir. So congratulations.
As leaders, colleagues, and partners celebrate this milestone, there is a shared sense of confidence and optimism. Because leadership may move from one generation to the next, but the purpose remains constant: to create value, to empower people, to serve society, and to build an organization ready for tomorrow. Congratulations, Mr. Naveen Jain. Together with one vision and one shared purpose, NTF Group continues Mission Parivartan. Together, we move forward.